Hello everyone and welcome back. We have reached a module of this course, but the learning does not stop here. There are a few key steps you should continue to take to stay ahead. Keep learning and upskilling. First and foremost, keep learning and upskilling. In this fast-paced industry, it's crucial to stay updated with the latest developments, especially in generative AI, where changes happen rapidly. If you do not keep up, you risk falling behind. Stay updated with the 30-minute rule. To stay informed, follow the 30-minute rule. Spend just 30 minutes each day reading about new trends in generative AI. Websites like Medium, LinkedIn, and tech blogs are great resources. This small daily habit will help you stay relevant. Continue practical learning. Practical learning is just as important. Use tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, Code Whisperer, and platforms like Hugging Face to apply what you have learned. Experiment with writing code, fine-tuning models, and solving real-world problems. Keeping this practical touch will ensure you stay connected with emerging technologies. You are not alone. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. As a student of this course, you have lifetime access to our query support. If you have questions, reach out through the Q&A feature or email, and we will be here to assist you. Final thoughts. With that, we have reached the end of this course. I want to thank you for choosing this course, and I hope it has been valuable to you. Your feedback and reviews are greatly appreciated. They are our true reward. I wish you all the best in your professional journey. Keep learning, keep upskilling, and take care. Thank you.